Hi, today we talk about how to lock and unlock chats of WhatsApp on iPhone. So for this purpose, first you need to open WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Once you open WhatsApp app on your mobile phone, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here hold that chat which you want to lock. So here I hold this chat for 2 seconds, then this will pop up on my screen. Here you have the option of lock chat, click on it. Once you click on lock chat, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have the option of continue, click on it. Then in a while you have to recognize your face ID. So this is how you can lock chats of WhatsApp. For unlocking chats, here at the bottom right you have the option of settings, click on it. Once you tap on settings button, then this type of settings page will appear. Here you have the option of privacy. Once you tap on it, then privacy page will appear on your screen. Here you need to scroll down, then here you have the option of chat lock. Once you click on it, then this type of page will appear. Here you have the option of unlock and clear lock chats. Once you click on it, then this will pop up. Once you click on unlock and clear, your that chat will be unlocked, but all chats are deleted. So this is how you can unlock and lock chats of WhatsApp on iPhone. Thanks for watching.